In this lesson, we're going to detach audio from a clip. I've added a video clip to my timeline, and I'll just play it for a couple seconds so you can see and hear it.
Liftoff of Space Shuttle Atlantis on a mission to build, resupply, and to do research on it.
Okay, now typically you've seen video and audio on separate tracks. In this case, you can see they're combined. In this file here, I've got both video and audio. So suppose I wanted to separate it into separate tracks. Why would I want to separate audio from the video? Well, suppose I didn't want to use the audio. Maybe I just wanted to do my own voiceover, or just wanted to have music in the background or something like that. I need to separate the video from the audio. So I am going to right click, click, and then just select Detach Audio. And now it's like you're used to seeing. I've got the video on top and I've got the audio file on the bottom. If I don't want to use this audio file, I can simply hit the delete key on my keyboard and it's gone. Now I'm just left with the video to use however I'd like. And that is detaching audio from a clip.